All right, this exercise is called scapular push-ups. So we're gonna work on the beginning stages of a push-up. So what we wanna do is we wanna get that scapular retraction, meaning our shoulder blades are gonna pull back, and we're gonna work on pulling them forward without elevating our shoulder blades here. So what I want you to do is you're gonna place your hands on an elevated surface like a bench or a couch. We want our palms, or our hands shoulder width apart here. And from this position, I want our shoulders to be above our hands. In this position here, we're gonna slowly keep our elbows straight and locked in, and we wanna just pull our shoulder blades down and back, hold for the prescribed amount of time, and then we're gonna push off and try to spread our shoulder blades apart. It's really important that we try to keep our back in a neutral position so that we're not arching down or rounding up. Try to keep that back flat, engaging our core and engaging our glutes while we're doing this exercise. So again, driving down, rounding up and spreading our shoulder blades apart.